I always have this dream. I saw myself walking in the garden. Then, I transform into a superhero, who fly out to space. And I feel completely free. Then. Yes, I'm working on my new story, you just interrupting me, so please, I will inform you when I get it done. Yes kids, that's happens a lot, we was focusing then someone interrupted us. But that's okay, I will show you some techniques to avoid losing your train of thoughts. Let's start. First technique is visual reminders. And the best example of visual reminder is to-do list, or task schedule. It could be like checklist. And every time you finish a task you will check on the list. The trick is to create a visual display of what you need to complete, so you have your goals in front of you. With this type of responsibility, it's easier to stay focused on the tasks at hand, and not allow your mind to wander. Second technique is, remove distractions, and here is how we can do this. First, clear the clutter. A disorganized desk can be distracting as it often reminds us of other work. Clean up and you'll find your focus. Second, sound off, email and messenger notifications, a ringing phone. All these can be toxic noise pollution when you're trying to concentrate. Third, curb hunger. Keep a couple of snacks nearby. Healthy munchies, and a bottle of water. A grumbling tummy is a surefire way to send your mind out to lunch. Our third technique is an important one. It's time boxing. Time boxing is a method for scheduling the amount of time you work on a project. Instead of sitting down to an open-ended deadline, or working until the project is done, you set a time limit for each work period. And focus all your efforts on a short period of time. If the project isn't finished when the time is up, you allocate another time to work on it, and move on. For example, you can set 40 minutes for math studying and homework solving. After that, you can set 30 minutes for watching TV, or eating healthy snacks. Scheduling your time has a great effect on your train of thoughts and even on your whole life. And these techniques will make you more concentrated and awake. Dear students in all grades, I really should encourage you to use your time wisely, and start to build a real thing in yourself. Because you are the future of the world, and every one of you has a role in it. I hope you all enjoy this video. This is your host Reem Ghazal. Till we meet again, stay safe.